it's Angie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a very special unboxing. This is an OHM BEADS BBQ, which is a big bead that is custom made for you and very, very special collector's piece. I've already done an IGTV video showcasing the bead and showing how beautiful it is and all the features of it. But this video is going to be an unboxing of the special packaging that Heart Engine arrives in. So as you can see, when the packages come from Thailand, the flagship store, they are wrapped like little presents and taped up in pretty OHM tissue. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh, there it is. So the bead that I reviewed on Instagram was on loan from OHM BEADS for review. So that just came as is with no packaging. And I loved the bead so much that I purchased it. And that's why I get to see the packaging this time. It's always a really fun and phenomenal part of the experience. Okay, put that out of the way. And as you can see, it is a massive, gorgeous, like library card box. Really nice in cellophane paper. And we'll open it up. There is the certificate of authenticity, Heart Engine by OHM. And I got number 45. Very cool. And then we can open the bead. And I already know what this looks like, obviously, because I have done a review on it. So it's a steampunk heart with human and mechanical parts. And what I love is that these gears actually move. Very cool. And there's a little zipper pull at the bottom, and as you can see, I'll zoom in a little bit here, it's being unzipped to show what's inside our hearts. And oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. I love it so much, and that's why I had to have one of my own to wear and treasure for always. And if you want to see more details about this, you can go and see my IGTV on Daily Charm Addict, and I point out all the features and list all the details about the story behind this and the price and all that stuff. So this is just a quick unboxing to show you the beautiful packaging that it comes in, and just a quick view of this gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Oh my gosh, I love it so much and I can't believe it's mine. I'm so happy. So thanks for watching, and that is Heart Engine, a BBQ from OHM BEADS, and they are available for custom order. It takes about 4 to 6 weeks, they say, but this one actually came quite a bit faster. So I'm really happy about that. And that's it. So thanks so much for watching.